So you've built an audience on Instagram, you're putting out great content, and now you're asking the big question, how do I actually make money from this? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to flip the switch on Instagram's built-in professional tools and turn your profile into a real source of income. Let's dive in.
Here's the game plan, and it's super simple. We're going to break it down into 5 stages. First, we'll talk about the mindset shift from personal to professional. Then, we'll make the switch itself. After that, we'll peek inside the professional dashboard, turn on branded content, and by the end of this, your account is going to be officially open for business.
Okay, first things first. Before we even tap a single button in the app, the most important step is right up here in your head. We're going to stop thinking about your Instagram as just a personal page and start seeing it for what it can be, a professional asset, a real business tool.
So let's get on the same page about this word monetization. What does it actually mean? You know, it's really just the process of making money from your account. This can be through brand deals, collaborations, sponsored posts, all that good stuff. Our goal today is to get you set up for all of it.
And that really gets to the heart of it, right? You've put in the work. You built a community, you've created content people love, but there's this gap between having an audience and actually unlocking what you can earn. We'll consider this explainer the key to that lock.
All right, theory's over. It is time to get our hands dirty and take the first real practical step. And trust me, this one is the most important one of all. This is where the magic starts to happen. And here it is, the absolute key. None, and I mean none, of the cool money-making tools are available on a regular personal account. Switching to a professional account is the first thing you have to do. It's not optional. It's the action that opens the door to everything else we're about to talk about.
And the best part? It is so easy to do. Seriously, just go to your profile, tap those 3 little lines in the top right corner. Then you're going to scroll down a bit and tap Account Type and Tools. From there, just hit Switch to Professional Account and pick a category that fits you. Something like Creator usually works great. And that's it. And just like that, with a few simple taps, you've done it. You have officially unlocked the single most important feature for anyone serious about growing on Instagram, the professional dashboard.
So now that we've got the keys, let's take a look around. Think of this professional dashboard as your new mission control. It's the command center for everything business-related on your account.
I mean, this is where you're going to find all your analytics, see how your audience is growing, and most importantly for us today, this is where you access and manage all of your monetization tools. It's the central hub for your entire creator business. Okay, so we're in. The dashboard is unlocked. The next logical question is, that's great, but am I actually eligible to make money right now? Let's go find out. The path to this is really straightforward. From your profile, just tap into that new professional dashboard. Then, look for that little gear icon, the cog, up in the top right corner. Give that a tap. And right in that menu, you'll see it, monetization status. Go ahead and tap that. This screen right here, this is your official green light from Instagram. It tells you exactly which tools you have access to. For most people just starting out, the very first thing you'll see is eligible for branded content. And that is awesome news because it means you can officially start partnering with brands. So we've just confirmed you're eligible for branded content. The very next step is to actually flip the switch and turn that tool on so you can use it. So what is this tool? Well, simply put, it's how you do sponsored posts the right way. It lets you officially tag your brand partner, and that adds a little paid partnership label to your post. It's all about transparency and making sure the collaboration is logged in Instagram's system. To turn it on, just head back to the main professional dashboard page. You'll see a section called Your Tools, and right in there is branded content. Tap on that, take a quick look at the rules, and then just hit Enable. Boom! You are now ready to collaborate. And actually using it is just as easy. So let's say you've landed a deal with a brand. You just create your post like you normally would. But on the very last screen, right before you hit Share, tap on Advanced Settings. Inside there, you'll see the option to Add Partnership Label. You just tap that and tag the brand you're working with. And that is it, seriously. You are now officially in business. By turning on this one tool, you've taken a massive step and are completely set up to collaborate with brands on Instagram. Okay, let's just take a breath and look back at what we just did. In just a few minutes, we've completely changed what your Instagram account is and what it can do. I mean, look at this checklist. We switched to a professional account, which unlocked that amazing dashboard. We went inside and confirmed your monetization status. And then we enabled the branded content tool, making you 100% ready for partnerships.
That's a lot.
So the big takeaway from all of this is actually really simple. Your Instagram profile has been transformed. It's not just a place to share photos with friends anymore. It is now a powerful business tool, ready and waiting for you to use it.
And that leaves us with one final and honestly really exciting question. All the technical setup? It's done. Your tools are ready to go. The real journey starts right now. Who are you going to partner with?